Woohoo! We finalizing our extension, at least for now, and fixing the bugs what we or I made during its development. So first of all, I messed up a little bit and missed the label's name. So we can take a look. For category page, label is the product page, but for product page, label is category page. So let's put them in a correct order. We just copy pasting them, that dumb. Also, in our data provider, we wrote wrong passes to the configurations. So let's also fix it. If it's not, oh, it's already fixed it. And let's take a look. And we put wrong logic and conditions for category page component and product action component. So it was always displayed. Let's fix it. First of all, category page component. So as you see before, it was if extension is disabled and category page is disabled, it returns null, but we want to return null if extension is disabled or category page is disabled. So let's put it like that. And the same for product action component. In fact, it's already fixed. Yeah. So thank you very much.